Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to snap multiple pictures by using the multi-snap feature on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. At the top right corner you will see many options. Tap on the arrow icon and you will see the multi-snap feature. Tap on that to enable it. And you will see a plus icon visible on the click button. Now you can click multiple snaps. I'll just do a multi-snap right now. You can also add a video to the multi-snap. So I'll just take a video. And now tap edit and send. Here you will see the preview. You can see the preview all together or one by one. You can also edit the photos or videos here. You can also trim your videos here. Now tap on the blue button on bottom right corner to send the snaps. You can send the snaps to your stories or you can also add recipients. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.